Hi children, welcome to Station 1. So in this station we're just going to briefly review solving multi-step equations and what that looks like. So for the most part I believe that we all do pretty well at this, but just in case you forgot, we always want to see if we can first distribute if we need to. Okay, so if I look at this problem, I can distribute. So just to be clear, this right here is a decimal. This is 0.5 times these items. It's not just 5 times these items. That's what I'm going to do right now. Is I'm going to go ahead and come in, and I'm going to distribute this 0.5 to x and to this -4. Okay, I know that 0.5 is half, so I know this is 0.5x. And I know half of 4 is 2, so this is -2 equals x minus 6. Okay, now the second thing I want to make sure that I can do is if I can combine like terms, then I want to combine like terms. So for this problem, I actually can't combine like terms. I don't have anything that's alike on one side of the equation. So I'm not going to be combining like terms, and I would move on to my next step, which, if you remember correctly, my next step is to move my variable to one side. And if I look here, I have a 0.5x and 1 whole x. So if I'm looking at these two, half is smaller than 1 whole, so this is the one that I actually want to move. So I'm going to subtract half of x to both sides. Okay, so just a reminder, this is 1 whole x, so I have 1 whole x minus half of x. Bring down -2 equals 1 minus a half is a half, minus 6. And now my variable is on one side, and of course the last step I want to take is I want to solve the two-step equation that's left. So here I'm left with this equation, and it is a two-step equation. I need to add and then I need to divide. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides. That gives me 4 equals half of x. And thankfully you have a calculator, so I know half of x equals 4. I'm going to divide both sides by 0.5. And I should find, if I use my calculator and type that in, that x equals 8. And there it is. I'm all done with this problem. As you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more problems to go. So if you're in class right now, go ahead, turn this video off, get started working with your group on solving those problems. If you're at home, then go ahead and practice as much as you need to practice. Thank you.